Today, the Congress party has condemned the manner in which the Town and Country Planning Act is being misused for creating planning areas under the PDAs. And by creating planning areas, the next step is ODPs are made. And ODPs are nothing but vehicles of destruction of Goa. FARs are being increased, green and eco-sensitive zones are being destroyed, and we are seeing, especially in Kalangut, Kandoli and Arpora, commercial zones being introduced in a most haphazard manner. There are no planning considerations, and Goa, in short, is up for sale. The government is fully responsible for this, and we have even pointed out to some glaring examples where my colleague Dean D'Cruz, architect Dean D'Cruz, who has been a part of drafting the Regional Plan 2021, all these areas were carefully mapped. The Khazan lands, the mudflats, the eco-sensitive zones, the forest areas, and so on. Today, nothing of that is being retained, and ODPs are being done in the most reckless manner. There are no planners involved, and it is just a vehicle and a money-making business.
Member of the state level committee to prepare the regional plan. I can see that all that work is becoming futile. The ODP is supposed to be a subset of the regional plan, where basically all the settlement areas are detailed out and further, specifying where the residential areas are, where the commercial areas are, where the fields are, where the roads are. But it has gone completely haywire. They are just adding more and more areas, settlement areas beyond the regional plan boundaries, and this is not planning. This is pure corruption. It is pure conversion of lands, where one moment the land parcel may be worth 1,000 rupees a square meter, the next moment is worth 20,000 rupees a square meter by simply coloring. You can see the two examples in Mara, in which
survey number 90 by 2.
Survey number 90 by 2, in which both these pieces of land were originally, you can see in the regional plan document, it is all forested areas with steep slopes. And in the ODP, 90,000 square meters are converted. If you take a value of 20,000 rupees a square meter, that's 180 crores in a couple of minutes conversion. So that's the level of the scam that you see that an ODP can create. And who is it? The wife of a minister.
Before, we demand that all these ODPs be scrapped. But in the interim, at least all these glaring examples which we have pointed out should be immediately put on hold. Because these are the examples which we have now found out for ourselves, which are the survey numbers that we have mentioned. There will be many more if we do a careful study of this entire so-called ODP. We want all these villages should be reverted back to the RP 2021. But at least in the interim, all these examples which we have pointed out should be immediately put on hold. And no development should be permitted on lands which have been converted, especially which were marked as eco-sensitive and undevelopable slopes.
Both the surveys on its wide name, here it is on
Yeah, I think so. You've got the one in 14.4. That's serial number.
Yeah. Survey number 92/1, serial number 4 and 5, Sancha, Delilah, Lobo.
which area?
Mara. Mara adjoining.
How much area?
Adjoining Kandoli.
It's 89,450 square meters.
And of which I think 5,000 and 2,000 is for sale now.